Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, employers in Hong Kong. My name is Jonalyn Del Rosario Jacob. I am 33 years old. I am a single, but I have a live-in partner. I have two children, aged 11 years old boy and 9 years old girl.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for the future of my family and to send a good school for my children.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, sir, but I have experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 5 years and 7 months. And I serve 6 family members, including 2 adults and 4 children, aged 30 years old female and 34 years old male. And the children ages are 3 to 6 years old boy and 8 to 12 years old girl.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children, ironing, washing the dishes, laundry, grocery shopping, gardening, and car washing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, sir. I am taking care of the children.
Can you tell us how can you take care of a children?
I can take care of the children like I'm feeding, bathing, and sometimes I will be tutor, and sometimes I will be play with them.
Aside from taking care of children, what is your skills?
My skills are cooking Filipino dishes like pork adobo, sinigang, pork tilapia, and I want to learn Chinese dishes.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Being as a good helper, I am trustworthy, hardworking, can do multitask, honest, and loyal.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi ma'am, sir. If you hire me as your helper, I promise that I will follow all your instructions. I will do all the household chores and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. And I will treat your family as my own family. God bless.